A very good evening, guys. Uh, Welcome to my video lecture series number 5. In this video, we'll just start with something called as case study video on HTML elements. So, regarding the case study, we are going to see some relevant topics about problem statement identification, technology stack used, and implementation strategy. So, in the problem statement, we are going to see something uh, about the pages. That's like maybe it might be static or dynamic, but we are going to just have a discussion about static and of course structure and with no structure and with UI UX and with efficient responsiveness, that is well good UI UX and poor UI UX. So regarding the technology stack used, we are going to just discuss the terms related to HTML5 ETF, that is ETF8, and of course CSS3, that is Cascaded Style Sheets 3, and JavaScript. The implementation strategy deals with how we lay out the pages, semantic tags used, forms, tables, and the responsive contents that are being get from the users. And regarding the outcome and analysis of this case study, we assume a better structures, influence, and responsive design that underestimates the CSS invocation, and next is the accessibility used. So coming to the basic case study, that is building a responsive website from the scratch, we are going to just see the coding related to the output. The output will be, I'll be showing you in the next two slides. And before going into the output, let me discuss the basic types of HTML documents. That is document type that deals with starting point of documents of HTML, and HTML and slash HTML deals with the starting and ending point of the HTML document. And within that HTML documents, we have two things, that is one we call as title tags and next is body tags. And within the title, we have CSS case, that is what we are going to display it, and next is the content within which we are going to display that in title. And the body tag, I mean to say that the body part deals with headings and the paragraphs. The headings deals with my first w3 CSS website, and in the paragraph it will be showing you, or it will be element consideration will be done in this side will grow as we add more. This is a paragraph, this is another paragraph, and another paragraph, and this is another paragraph. I mean to say this is another paragraph is repeated 5 times. So what will be the output? So this will be the output. The output will be like my first W3 CSS website in terms of H1. That means the most important heading. And next comes the, this site will grow as we add more, as I told you. And the five times of paragraph, that I mean to say 4 paragraph lines and one other, this site will grow as we add more. So this will be considered as a responsive website. And coming to the next case study topic, that is we are going to put the elements in the containers to add common margins and paddings. Put the elements, that is what we have told, like HTML elements inside the containers, that is division class is equal to container. Separate the header from the rest of the content using two separate division elements. So let us see the same content, same topics, that is HTML slash HTML and title slash title, and within that head topic we are going to enlist title, and within that body title we are going to use two division classes. One is w3 container and next one is w3 container with paragraphs. So this will be like, it will be same as the old, as I'm going to the previous slide, same as the old, but please do understand that there has been a small line break or small division, that is divided class that has been enlisted from my first class W3 CSS website to the next. So the next case study will be on the color classes. So the color classes define the color of element. This example adds color to the first division element, that is, so the same aspect, but we are just going to choose one invocation, that is what we call it as, I'm just roaming the cursor around for your understanding. Just we have invocate w3 hyphen blue as the color code. So while enlisting blue inside this division alone, will be, this division alone will be given with blue color, and the rest will be in the white, same white color, and the next will be, the next container is enlisted in the black color paragraphs, that is black color documents section, that is what we call as elements. So with this thing, the size of classes can be also invocated. Size classes defines the text size for elements. This examples add size to both header and elements. As you can see from the same code, we have just invocated only one thing, that is what we call it as w3 hyphen jumbo, and x3 equal to large. So I'll stop my content with this class in this slide today. The remaining we'll see it in the next class. Thank you for listening. Thank you.